We believe in proactive partnership with each of our customers and provide support through every step towards creating a benchmark plant. Each day, our 500 engineers in the field respond to customer requests to solve problems, as well as make proactive visits to improve plant performance and sustain uptime. The 1,250 daily visits focus on diverse aspects, from reducing energy and steam consumption, addressing bottlenecks in the system, adding additional equipment, designing utilities, setting up SOPs or providing hands-on training. Through our improvement surveys, audits and design consultancy services, we deliver incremental improvements, resulting in savings ranging from 5 to 24% on the annual fuel bill. Benefits also include water savings, reduction in CO2 emissions, improved productivity and product quality, and enhanced safety. Through maintenance, repair and operations services, we aim to improve and sustain steam asset uptime across our customers' plants by more than 95%. Digital transformation in the industry focuses primarily on connectivity and data acquisition. 80% of our products are digitally enabled and provide better visibility of processes and energy efficiency parameters across the plant. Our digital services go beyond connectivity by analyzing the data and providing actionable insights to eliminate or minimize deviations and sustain peak operational performance. The result is holistic, long-term practical solutions that enhance businesses.